We are going to learn in this video the Arabic numbers. So I will write it. Our lesson is lesson number 14, and we will learn the Arabic numbers. The Arabic numbers is something different. It's so different from the Arabic, from the English numbers. So we will start now to learn what's the meaning of numbers in the numbers. So what's the meaning of this word, the numbers? Of Arabic is al-arqam. Al-arqam. If you want to try to write it, just stop the video and try to write it. Al-arqam. So we will write it together. L. So something you need to know. L. This L. It's just like the. So in Arabic, the, it is L. So this is, I think, very easy. It's alif and lam together. Alif and lam is L. It is the. So all the time when you see in the beginning L, you know it's mean the. Okay? So we delete it. So L, this is L, the. Arqam is numbers. So L can be connected from this side. So can we write a? Look, something also new. If come L, lam, okay, plus alif, la, it also mean no. La. So we don't write it like this. No, this is wrong. We write it just like this. It's just the same, but you do like this. So I will write it again. Alif, you do like this and then like this. So la. This is if it comes alif, lam, sorry, plus alif together. Lam plus alif, we say la or la. La, it means no. La, no. Okay? So we will write again. So al-arqam. L, this is L. The. Arqam, a. Al, lam, with alif, so we do like this, a. And then al-a, we finish al-a. We do ra. Al. Why ra is like this, not like this? Because alif cannot be connected from here. So al, and then qa in the beginning, al-arq. Qa is always alif. Al-arqa. And then al-arqam. M is meme. Alif cannot be connected from here, so meme, and there is nothing else, so meme will be a line, alone. Al-arqam, meme, alone. So now in every lesson you will make a practice how to say the word and how to write it when you just say it. Okay? So it will be hard in the beginning, just like the letters, and then every lesson after lesson you will learn just how to write it. So after many lessons, I would say just the word and you will can very fast to write it alone. Okay? I hope it. So al-arqam. This is al-arqam, the numbers. So we will going to write it now. The numbers. Al-arqam. Al-arqam. Meme, you can do it like this or like this. It's just the same. Some people write it like this. I'm sometimes act like this, like this. It's just the same, okay? So, al-arqam, it means, now you know what it means. It means the numbers. So, the first number is صفر. صفر. It means 0. صفر. صاد, اس, ص, f, and then f, and then f, صف, fa in the middle, fil, ra, صفر. So we said صفر, we said is in the beginning, صاد, is, and then f, صف, f, fa, f in the middle, and then ra, صفر, ra, okay, صفر. صفر, it means 0. In English, we write it like this, 0. In Arabic, it's just like point, like this, okay? This is 0 in Arabic, this is in English, we do it just like this. So, this is 0, صفر, f, صفر. Okay? And then, number 1, we write it in Arabic like this, just like this, like alif, hem, alif. So this is in the Arabic, واحد, 1, واحد, wa, at the beginning, wa, wow, wa, alif, wa, and then wa, ha, but alif cannot be connected from here, so ha will be in the beginning, wa, and then dal, wahid, dal, okay? So this is واحد, 1. So صفر, 0, واحد, 1, okay? So then اثنان, it means 2, 2 in English like this. In Arabic, it's just like this, okay? We will write it if, I will tell you why it's just like this. If, and then in, ithin, na, and then noon alone. Why alone? Because there is nothing else, and alif cannot be connected from here. So this is I will tell you this now. What's the meaning of this? If, fa in the beginning, and then noon, ithnan. Okay, ithnan. So this is ithnan. Okay, I will delete it. صفر, 0, واحد, اثنان. So, look, alif with hamza, this is a, okay? But if it is come, the hamza, if it's come here, we say e, okay? Just like this. This, a, this, e, okay? So, when hamza come here, we say a. When it's come here down, we say e. So this is a, this is e, just like this. So this is why we say ithnan, e, if, in, a, ithnan. Okay? Ithnan, 2. Delete it now. Ithnan. Okay. And now, number 3, ثلاثة, ثلاثة, لا, it is alif, lam, sorry, it's lam plus alif, la. But how I told you, you will write it like this, okay, correct? So, ثلا, it's alif, lam plus alif, ثلا, ثلا, ثا. This is ta marbuta and at the end. I told you at the end when we say this is ta مربوطة. So ثا in the beginning, لا ثا. Okay, ثلاثة. What's the meaning? How we write it in the Arabic? We write it like this. Okay, this is 3. ثلاثة. 3. Okay. صفر واحد اثنان ثلاثة. صفر واحد اثنان ثلاثة. Delete it now. And then 4 أربعة ال cannot be connected from here. ألف cannot be connected from here. So أربعة أربعة عين أربعة تاء مربوطة. إما in the end أربعة تاء مربوطة. Okay. So أربعة تاء مربوطة. And you need to know from 3 to 10 all these numbers at the end is تاء مربوطة. All. Okay. So this to make it a little bit easier. أربعة. أربعة is 4. 4. We write it like this. English. In Arabic, it's just like this. Okay. أربعة. أربعة. So 0 واحد. 0 صفر 1 واحد 2 اثنان 3 ثلاثة 4 أربعة. And now we will take 5. 5 خمسة. خمسة خمسة. خمسة. This is خ in the beginning. خم ميم in the middle. خمس is in the middle and تا مربوطة. خمسة. And this is how we write خمسة in Arabic. It's just like 0 in English. So, okay? But the 0 in English, it's like this. So, a little bit longer. But خمسة, like this. Okay? This is خمسة. 5. خمسة. خمسة. So, صفر واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة. صفر واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة. Okay. 0 1 2 3 4 5. صفر واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة. So